If you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, I just want to let you guys know right away that this is not clickbait. I really did get into an accident and total my Murcielago. I'm going to try in this video to explain to you guys exactly what happened and give you a little bit behind the scenes of my accident and how it all went down. I feel like I could cry right now. We took the car out to go do some driving, and I don't even know what to say. Crashed my car. This sucks. This is my favorite car in the entire world. I'm just glad I'm okay. Glad you're okay. Every goddamn body panel. Look at this. Look, it's all snapped. Every body panel. The sound on this thing with the Fab Speed exhaust was ridiculous. Art did a killer job on the manual conversion. I had the coolest Murcielago, and I f***ed it up.
Got a souvenir for you.
This is the best guy you could deal with. Tell him your company, man.
It's Tow Time LLC. We got a little early Christmas present for you. Keep it as a souvenir.
Thank you, man. This means the world to me. You're very thoughtful of you. Oh.
I got one more piece.
I never thought I'd be holding my Murci this way. Oh my God. Art, don't scratch my shit. Don't scratch it.
It'll buff out.
It'll definitely buff out.
It's already coming off.
Oh, dude. Dude. I suck. I absolutely suck.
Is this good? Can we resell this? Rebuild it? Send it to Freddie. He'll rebuild it.
Tavares, you want these parts?
We were just going to go down to Florida. We had big plans. We were going to grab the trailers, grab my 360 that I'm actually building in the shop right now too, which Fab Speed supplied us with test pipes.
The 360 is going to sound insane. Fab Speed hooked him up in a big way. Oh, dude, look at this thing. Oh, it's killing me, man. It's killing me.
Hey, what the hell? You come down, I tape up your car, put plastic all over it, scared to scratch it because I don't want to, paint match this freaking thing, and then you go out and do this bullshit. What the hell?
He really did take beautiful care of my car. He was kind enough to open up a shop to me. We came down, we did the exhaust install. It was awesome. It's just bad luck, man. Oh. I cannot express to you guys how good this thing drove. How amazing this thing sounded for the day and a half that I had it ripping around with the Fab Speed exhaust. I don't know, all joking aside, I would love to rebuild this car. I love this car. My heart is hurting. I don't know if you guys can get that on camera. I'm trying to be light of it, but my heart is hurting.
Your Murci.
Yeah?
And my M5 CS was wrecked recently.
Yeah.
I mean, you wiped that tree completely out, but it could have been worse.
Could be a different situation, man. It could be dead or it could be in the hospital.
Yeah.
Wanted to come out and take a look at it for myself. Murci parts. We're finding Murci parts everywhere. I'll pick that up. Don't worry, I'm not littering. First off, I'm grateful to be alive. Cars can be replaced. I got kids. I got a wife. Josh was with me. I think he's taking a piss in the woods right this moment, so we're not going to show him. The corner's back here. Came through the corner. Was not going hard on the corner at all. That's about what we were doing. I wasn't filming. I wasn't trying to make a crazy video of driving or anything like that. I came out here for myself to enjoy driving my car, listening to my exhaust. And there's beautiful overlooks here on this road. and I just wanted photographs. Didn't go as planned. Let me show you the road really quick, and then I'm going to show you the tree that I ended up on top of. But we were completely out of the turn, driving up to the next one, and the car just kicked. Just bad luck, you know? That's what it comes down to.
What do you think this is worth? This lens?
600.
Oh my gosh.
Will!
Oh my God, the glass is okay?
Yeah. I just picked up like $4,000 worth of parts.
I certainly went on top of the tree. I mean, the Murcielago was, you know, from here, it was all the way back onto here.
Wow.
I don't know, man. Thank you, tree, for saving my life. I already missed my Murci. Already. And this isn't even the terrible side of it yet. And the door, upper part. You guys just had all this ripped apart. I know. Look at that. It's actually heavier than you think. Even though this is fully carbon fiber, it's heavy. Another part of my bumper. This is the active arrow rear deck lid. This is supposed to come up. I mean, look, you can see that that's snapped. All the mechanical components. This thing from underneath here is just destroyed. Oh my God, this is so sad. And that's the horrible part right there. Came out of the turn, car went sideways, and the next thing I know, I was in a tree. Thank God this is where I hit, because this is the absolute strongest part of this car. My beautiful exhaust pipe, destroyed. You got the differential back there, you got the full cross bracing here, frame rail, but the frame's bent over here. The upper part of the frame is bent. This entire section's tweaked. So looks like the rear is actually tweaked as well in there. It's not like it's just a little bit. This entire quarter here has damage. The wheels have damage right down here. Look at this. This door took right here. Side skirt. It's so upsetting. On top of the fact that every part of this car is carbon fiber. Every body panel except for the roof, I believe, and the doors I know are steel. But it literally started to buckle the roof. Nice big one right here and right here. Took the impact in the rear a little bit more aggressive to the passenger side, and it just messed up this entire side of the car. It's hard to tell on camera, you might be able to see it, that this body line is off. The bumper's off. I bet you that wheel's messed up too. I bet you that wheel pushed in there.
The heavy motor in the car and the speed that the rear end flipped around, I mean...
The speed that he's referring to, it's not the speed of the car, it's that when that back end started to kick, the velocity of that rear end that came around, it was so fast with how quick it snapped on us. I don't think there was a way I could have driven through it.
And I've seen videos of these cars crashing, and most of the time they slide sideways. And we're so lucky it didn't hit on that rear quarter or even the door, because I might not have been standing here right now if that was the case. Start it.
Yeah?
See.
If we do it, we gotta only do it for like a second because there's no coolant in the damn thing, but let's go for it. The shifter still works. Nothing wrong with the shifter. She runs. I love the Murcielago. I worked my ass off to get to this point. This was my peak car. You know, everybody's got that peak dream car. This was my peak dream car. I was able to work and get the cleanest E-gear car that I possibly could. And when the opportunity presented itself to become a manual and convert it, I jumped at the chance because that's all I ever wanted. Now it's gone. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do I rebuild this? Do I sell it and get an LP640 and then send it off to get converted to a manual? And yes, I would do it again, without a doubt. Do I just get out of the Murci game and go buy something else? I mean, I'm serious, guys. I really don't know what to do. I need some guidance on this. My next video is gonna be out of order because I'm gonna do the exhaust install video and let you guys see that. It would be an absolute sin not to share it with you guys. Oh my God!
Yeah, dude. Oh my God.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching this. Do me a favor, don't beat me up too bad. Don't roast me in the comments. I already lost my Murcielago, and there's nothing that you guys can say that won't make me feel worse as it is. We made it.
We're alive.
We're good. We're both in good shape, and that's the most important thing, and we're not hurt.
Yeah.
You're strong, you're solid.
I'm good. Are you good?
I got a bruise, that was all I got. I got a little tiny bruise right here.